Now, we're used to seeing machine parts in steel. Machines are generally made of steel. Why is this one in bronze?
Bronze is so much easier to print and sinter. Not so much the printing part, but sintering bronze or any of the copper alloys or copper is just way, way easier than steel. Steel tends to oxidize, and it sinters at a much higher temperature. So this part was sintered at 1575 Fahrenheit, and I'm not sure what that is in Celsius, which is relatively low. I mean, pretty much any common kiln can hit 1575 Fahrenheit. And there's a lot of people focus on needing to print steel, and we encourage them to consider whether bronze is a reasonable substitute. Bronze is strong and easy to work with, and perfectly applicable in most cases that steel is currently being used.